is a subcontract agreement the same as a teaming agreement? That's an excellent question. So, no. Do you want to answer that, Shanita?
No, I'm going to let you have
okay.
it. I'm still in the
Okay. So a subcontractor agreement, there's so many different ways to do this. So you can have a subcontract agreement as a company, and it's just you and the sub. It could be a commercial contract, federal contract, local contract, whatever. And you have an internal subcontractor agreement that you require for your subs, right? Now that same document may also be required for the solicitation, for the proposal that you're putting together. So you may or may not need it. You should always have one, yes. Teaming agreement is basically two companies coming together because they have the joint venture and then teaming agreement. It took me, I don't know how many videos to understand this. I was like, I still don't understand. So a teaming agreement is where two companies like me and Shanita, like we're going to join forces and both of our information is going to be in this proposal and we're saying what we're bringing to the table. So say it's something like an SDVOSB, we can do a subprime, but also it's like, well, no, it's in Miami where Shanita is, but it's a SDVOSB set aside. So we can do a teaming agreement because she's bringing essentially her location to the table, her accessibility. I'm bringing the set aside to the table and my past performance. And so we're going to put this proposal together saying both of us are so awesome, we're going in this together. And so when it comes to a joint venture, though, joint venture is where you guys, me and Shanita come together, we create ABC Industries, we submit it in SAM, like a new company, for the purpose of winning a contract. So that's the difference between teaming is kind of like, yeah, we know each other and we about to put this together. A joint venture is an official, that's like marriage with a prenup, okay? That's like really, really, like we really want to work together. And a lot of mentor protege programs will require a joint venture.